Assalamu alaikum. I am Muhammad Mahmood Hassan, Assistant Teacher Agriculture, Greenfield School and College. Dear student, today I am going to discuss about some MCQ question on chapter 3 section 5. The first question is, which temperature tolerant fries have to be cultivated due to temperature rise in atmosphere? Correct answer is B. Magur, Rui, Shing. Question 2. What is changing for saline fishes due to climate change? Answer is living ground. Question 3. What kinds of fry have to be released in drought prone areas? Answer is big fry. Question 4. In which regions can koi and deshi magur be cultivated? In drought prone areas, rui and deshi magur can be cultivated. So correct answer is drought prone. Question 5. Where can fishes be cultivated in the flood prone areas? In case. Correct answer is in case. Question 6. What salinity tolerant fish will be cultivated in coastal regions in country? Answer A. Bata. Question 7. Which can be cultivated where salinity is increasing in water body? Answer is shrimp and crab. Question 8. In flood prone areas, the banks of ponds have to be surrounded by net. Option 1. So that no one can steal fishes. Option 2. So that ponds fishes can go away. Option 3. So that flood water cannot enter into pond. Which one is correct? Correct answer is 2 and 3. So that ponds fishes cannot go away and flood water cannot enter into the pond. Question 9. If coastal area is immersed by water after breaching the groni, that means dam, in a dam dash in the affected area. Option 1. Crab and shrimp can be cultivated. Option 2. Can be utilized by fishing culture. Fishes can be cultured in case. Option 3. Fishes can be cultured in case. Which one is correct? Both the 3 is correct. That means crab and shrimp can be cultivated, can be utilized by fish culture. Fishes can be cultured in case. Question 10. Question 10. To trace new living place of saline fishes, dash is required. Here it should be dash. Dash is required. Option 1. Modern research. Option 2. Talking study. Option 3. making study, making new place. Taking study and modern research. Taking study. Option 2 is taking study and option 1 is modern research. So 1 and 2 is correct. Now read the following passage and answer the question 11 to 13. Question passage is Abbas Mia lives in a drought prone area. Once he found that the environment of his cultured pond became very hot and water also became very hot due to heat of sun. So he took a measure to protect the fishes that adverse situation. 11. Question 11. Which fishes can Abbas Mia cultivate successfully? A. Shrimp, B. Rui, C. Pabda, D. Koi. The correct answer is koi, because koi can be cultivated in drought prone areas. So answer is koi. What measure will Abbas Mia take to solve the above problem? First option is we'll mix the water. We'll have to take measure of changing water. We'll have to measure of shade. We'll have to take measure of keeping Topa hyacinth. Answer is Topa hyacinth. Now question 13. In the area of above passage, cultivation of tilapia is profitable. Cultivation of deshi magor is profitable. Medium size of fry is profitable. The correct answer is 1 and 2. Cultivation of tilapia is profitable. Cultivation of deshi magor is profitable. Now I am going to discuss about MCQ on chapter 3 section 6. Question 1. In which area Chittagong Hill Tracts is required for the extension of forestation of forest? In hill area, plain land, uncategorized, categorized. Option C, uncategorized. In which area of Chittagong Hill Tracts required for extension of forestation? We cannot we cannot say that we cannot fix the place, so we have to say uncategorized. Question 2. What is the cause of death of broiler and layer chickens in farm? Head stress. Option D, head stress. Question 3. How many natural calamities like in Bangladesh regularly. Question 4. For recovering the loss during natural calamities in some extent, steps should be taken during disaster and after the disaster. Question 5. Considering the fact of natural disaster in Bangladesh should be raised up against option 1 protecting, option 2 healing, option 3 awareness. Which one is correct? 2 and 3 is correct. That means healing, awareness. Sorry, 1 and 3. 1 and 3 is protecting and awareness. Protecting and awareness is the correct answer. Question 6. To protect our country and therefore livestock from adverse environment, law of environment should be activated. Social forestation should be planted in the western region. Social forestation should be conducted in the coastal region. Among these three options, correct answer is law of environment should be activated. Social forestation should be conducted in the coastal region. Question 7. Drought related problem is heat stress and diseases and parasitic infections increase. Which one is correct? 1 and 3 is correct. Now we have time in our hand to start a new new section, section 7. So I am going to start a new section. Section 7. Title of the section 7 is Adaptation Mechanism in Livestock for the Perspective of Climate Change. Adaptation involves the technique to adapt of a species with its environment. It should be recommended that adaptation process is accomplished in animal body. Adaptation is controlled by environmental weather and climate. So, adaptation depends on environmental temperature, humidity, wind blowing and its properties, height of the place from the sea level and physical structure and physical condition of animal. Animal can survive by facing those properties of adaptation. It is normal phenomenon of nature. Human beings can protect themselves by their knowledge if suddenly massive climate changes occurs. But livestock and poultry cannot adapt in such a situation. Livestock and poultry are helpless and gentle animals. Many of them are able to adapt with environment if the climate changes is occurred slowly. Many species may also extinct due to inability to adapt to the environment. People help People's help is required for animal adaptation in unfavorable and adverse environment. More emphasis should be given to solve problems of drought, flood and tsunami. Techniques. There are some techniques for protection of livestock in drought. The techniques are: number one technique is cultivation of tree different tree leaves. Cultivation of different tree leaves like jackfruit, ipilipil, babla should be increased, and tree leaves should be fed to animals. Second technique is boiled rice should be boiled rice liquid, kitchen waste, rice polish, wheat bran, pulse bran, oil cake, molasses should be given to the cattle in sufficient amount during drought. Number 3 step is vaccines of a contagious disease should be given to livestock in regular basis. Number 4, supplementary feed of green grass should be fed to cattle. Number 5, silage and hay should be prepared before coming of drought so that these can be provided to livestock during drought. Number 6, instead of providing only dry straw, urea treated straw and urea molasses block can be provided to cattle. Number 7, sufficient concentrated feed should be provided to cattle. Number 8, clean sufficient water should be provided. Number 9, washing of animals should be maintained. Number 10, animals' body should be kept neat and clean, and treatment should be done for parasites. Number 11, animals should be kept in shady place free from heavy sunlight. Number 12, treatment for sick animal should be carried out according to doctor's suggestion. Now, there are some techniques for protection of livestock in flood related problem. I am going to discuss about it. The first technique is animal should be kept as high and dry place as possible. Number 2, clean water should be provided to livestock and polluted water of flood cannot be provided to them. Number 3, dead body of livestock should be buried. Number 4, during flood straw, rice polish, bran and oil cake should be supplied to cattle as feed. Number 5, water hyacinth, dull grass, herb, shrub, even banana tree may also be provided to cattle in that time. Number 6, hay and silage can be provided as the replacement of green grass. Number 7, various varieties of grass seeds can be sprayed on the fallow land after flood water goes down. Number 8, vaccinations for contagious diseases have to be applied and deworming medicine can be provided. Number 9, treatment is to be provided to infected animal according to their doctor's advice. Techniques for providing livestock for facing tidal waves related problem. There are some techniques to protect livestock from tidal waves. Sea tidal waves in coastal area is a big natural disaster. It may damage the livestock to a great extent by hitting on sea coastal area in any time of the year. Vast sea coastal area and islands of our country are affected by the tidal waves. So, following works should be carried out to protect livestock from devouring tidal waves. Number 1. Housing for livestock should be made in highland. Number 2. Livestock are kept in high shelter immediately after getting signal of tsunami or storm. Number 3. Dead animals are to be buried after tsunami. Number 4. In the time, boiled rice liquid, rice gruel, dry straw and concentrated feed can be provided to livestock. Number 5. Concentrated feed like bran, rice polish, oil cake and required amount of salt need to be provided to livestock. Number 6. Various tree leaves can be provided to cattle in place of green grass. Number 7. Treatment of animals should be carried out by making a team in the tsunami affected area. Number 8. Vaccinations for contagious diseases are to be provided to cattle regularly. Number 9. Care should be taken so that livestock may not be affected by disease after taking rotten and polluted water. So, this is all for today's class. Thanks for watching this video.